Let's learn now how to graph lines using intercepts. So first of all, what do we mean by intercepts? So we have x-intercepts and y-intercepts. So if you have a rectangular plane where we have x-axis and y-axis, and suppose this is a line graph, where the line cross the y-axis, that point is called y-intercept. And where the line cross the x-axis, that point is called x-intercept. For example, suppose this is 2 and this is also 2, and y-intercept, if we have to write, we will write y-intercept is y is equal to 2. And on this point, what will be the coordinates of this point? You see that on y-axis x value is 0. So you can say that the coordinates of this point is 0, 2. X coordinate is 0, y coordinate is 2. So y-intercept, whenever you have to find the y-intercept, because this point will be on y-axis, x-axis will be 0, x replace x with 0. Graphically, it is very easy to see where the line cross the y-axis. Algebraically, when you have to find y-intercept, you have to replace x value 0 in the equation and solve for y values. Similarly, if we have to see graphically what are the x-intercept, you see that this line cross the x-axis at -2, and on x-axis the y value is 0. The coordinates of this point is -2, 0. And algebraically, when you have to find x-intercept, you know that on x-axis y value will be 0. So replace y coordinate, y value with 0 and solve it for x value. Okay, so let's first find x-intercept and y-intercept of a line when we are given a algebraic equation of a line, and then we will see how we use these x and y-intercept to graph the line equation. So let's do this example. Suppose we are given a line equation 2x plus 4y is equal to 8. Find x-intercept and y-intercept. We just learned to find x-intercept, we have to replace y value with 0. In this equation, let's replace y value with 0. You get 2x plus 4 times 0 is equal to 8. 2x is equal to 8. Divide both sides by 2. We get 4. So x-intercept is, either you can write x is equal to 4, or you can say x-intercept is 4, 0, x value 4, y value 0. Now to find the y-intercept, we know that we have to replace x value with 0. In this equation, replace x value with 0 and solve it for y value. Divide both sides by 4. We get y value is 2. So we will say that y-intercept is y value is 2, or you can say y-intercept is x value 0, y value 2. So this is how we find x-intercept and y-intercept algebraically, and graphically that means where the line cross the x-axis and y-axis. Now let's graph this line equation using the x-intercept and y-intercept. I'm going to write the same line equation. 2x plus 4y is equal to 8. So graph this line using x-intercept and y-intercept. So we have the x-intercept and y-intercept. We figured that out. Draw a rectangular plane. Plot the x-intercept 4, 0. So this is the x-intercept. Plot the y-intercept 0, 2. So this is the point. Join these 2 points with a straight line and extend the line on both sides. So this is the line graph of the given line. So to plot the graph using the intercept, we need only 2 points, x-intercept and y-intercept, where the line cross the x-axis and y-axis. We just combine both intercept with a straight line and extend the line on both sides. Thank you so much.